If you want your knee to last as long as possible, then the sensible approach is to do regular, light, non-impact exercise, not to run on it. You can run on a hip replacement because there's no pistoning.
Right.
The hip muscles hold it tight, it's pure rotation.
Well, on this basis, I did a risk assessment. And with a friend of mine called Victoria, we've got a little video of Victoria coming up on the screen now.
Do you know, I didn't know how we were going to
risk assessment
talk
after TKO.
Was it 2 hours we were talking about?
90 minutes, yeah.
And we were running out of time.
First difficulty is getting up that ladder. So you've got to flex your knee to get up the ladder.
Good. So that's a rate limiting factor.
Okay.
Good.
Next is sitting in the plane and getting out of the plane. So you can see the degree of flexion. This is Victoria here, who's wiggling in the doorway. In flight, so you can see there's a certain amount of flexion in the knee there, but it's nothing much, is it?
No, that's
right.
Easy.
So, and you get a bit more of the flexion if she turns sideways. So that's not. So there she is. Happy. She's a very happy lady, is Victoria.
It's never the fall, though, is it?
Well, it's
the landing.
But we'll look at the landing. So we've done that. Nice high five, and off she goes. So then throwing a canopy out, there's no flexion.
Are you actually going to ask me whether this is sensible?
Well, whether you think skydiving is sensible is another issue. So now we're under canopy. Here's the landing. So we're approaching the ground. It looks a lot faster, I think, than it really is.
That looks fast.
Yeah, but then look at that.
Are you that good?
Sorry?
Are you that skillful?
That was me yesterday.
No, it wasn't.
Yes, it was.
No, you're being serious?
Yeah, I'm absolutely serious. That was me yesterday.
Are you? You promised me you're being serious?
Absolutely.
Oh, for God's sake. Really?
I told you I was going to surprise him.
Oh, jeez. Okay.
The reason I put that up is because there is so little potential damage to the knee in that, because you're thinking of hitting the ground like a paratrooper coming down in a military-laden jump, doing a parachute roll and so on, but actually my knee didn't flex much at all during
You're a nutter. But well done.